But we're going to go shopping to get last minute things for these guys before they head back to Samoa.
Hope you guys see next video coming up soon with a big surprise for you guys.
Good morning guys, SV Squaddy Waddy. You are looking at the last few days of our Samoan tourists. Oh, you guys should have seen Mia last night. She looked litty. I'm gonna insert some photos here. And Mom, 3 more days guys, how sad. How do you feel, Jimmy? I'm gonna heat it up again. BRB guys, this is my pudding from the other night. We finished Daniel's game a while ago, so we're just going shopping for the tourists here at the back. Only 3 more days guys, 3 more days. But we like this song at the moment, don't we, Aussie?
Yeah.
I want to use this opportunity to put forth an invitation to any producers out there. We are looking for a new SV Squad theme song, SV Squad background music. If you are a producer and you are underground, you want to be known or have some shout outs, make us an intro sound, something that, I mean, if you've been watching our vlogs, then you will know what kind of feel we are, poly vloggers. But send us some samples and we can give you some shout outs and use it in our vlog.
And I'll start singing some song. I'm gonna start doing the music guys. I'm gonna go to record my song, my own song. I write it to my own words.
Yeah, so send us some beats so Aussie can sing in our intro song too.
No, don't send it. I'll make our own song.
No, how are you gonna get the beats?
I'm gonna beat by myself.
Oh, okay.
And go to the studio, tell my beat.
We're watching Tour Samoa game. It's coming up soon. Hello guys. We're eating dinner now and watching Tour. Go Tour. That was so cringy. But we got so much food. Me and I are on a diet. That's why we got small plates. No. So delicious guys. So yummy. Guys, this is puddingi. Obviously my dad's back again. Look how soft it is. So soft. I know, if you want it, it's $20 puddingi. $20. Look how yummy that looks, guys. So yummy. Do you have the first bite? You have the first bite.
If you want a pudding, come.
Text your Mia. She'll make you pudding, popo, pan. You can buy anything you want. Hey, Eddie. Hey. Guys, we just got home from church not long ago. I got changed because it's really cold in Canberra. But we're going to go shopping to get last minute things for these guys before they head back to Samoa, to Samunda. And we got Jamia at the back here. Jamia, you got any last words to say to SV Squads?
Yeah, thank you SV Squad for making me happy.
Yep.
And for making me enjoying my stay in Australia. I am going to miss this place.
Yeah.
I don't want to go to Samoa.
What a cracker. No, don't worry, she's got a bunny popo there.
What?
She's got a bunny popo there. She has to go see her honey bun.
Nothing bunny popo. I'm looking for bala.
Russell. There's a junkie guy called Russell that Mia's gonna marry to get her sing. Guys, we're harmonizing or trying to. Well, these guys are trying.
whatever ngā oro reo. Whakamala ringa re maua.
And I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but Ossie's mum and sister don't actually know we're going with them. We haven't told them at all, so it's going to be such a big surprise for them when they see us as well. It's just really hard to try and find an excuse as to why we've got luggage as well. But I haven't even packed. I am exhausted. I have had like minimal sleep. So tired. Just been focused on their stuff to take. We haven't had time to pack our own stuff. But I'm still working tomorrow, so straight after work I'm leaving my training session and going down to the bus station and meeting these guys there.
Look forward to our next vlog, guys, from Samoa. Yeah, we do as much as we can for you guys. What's up, guys? It's your boy Chochi. This is our last day with my mom and sister. So you know the plan, guys. You know. So this is the last day, and this is the bags. And we cook our food for the last feast today. Is here potato salad and salad as well with eggs, and the sneaky girls there. They can't wait to go back home. I know these guys. They can't wait to go back home. Walo waso last day, last yaso ngay mo ngay I camper.
Lua mapo fonga ri ai.
Mi.
Le mapo fonga fango. Mapo fonga fia.
Yeah.
Ya, mua ke fia mo fa kaya udua me malama no fa ya mo ma ua ma ngi Australia. Belua kal singa ma ua kai mingi ya la ke fango ngoa la bla. Ya ua udua ele ngalo fo ya kia. Kai mi uma lava ke ma fo fa ke mo udua kal singa ma ua ma ngi ke lu mau dia ma ke lu mau me ai ke le mo fa kamala ke lua fa nga duenga ya ai ma ke uria ma ua ma ke ai sus ko nga me ai lava fa ya me fa kai ya udua viki ma Siaosi fa manguia pele ku ya ke udua ya mau pe udua ma rosi mal pe fan orsilia ku nga pe fan ma udua lo fa de ku ya ku fa ku me o fa nga inga o ngalua lo fa ya ma ua au mai ngi Australia ni ngalo ya au pongi la ke fa ngo ke fa ngo wa ko pa wa nge la po ya o ma ka ko fa ma vai le ma o ru fa ha malanga ya ku do ke ni kuale ka ko manguia ka ko vai do kusal ka ko manguia ya fa lungo mai ko I Samoa ya o mau pe o ru fia na fan ya sikala ni isi fa nga ya manguia lava nga benga bo fia ngai ma o ru ya su kai kasi malava ya do ka mu manguia fai fa le do mia ma fia ya manguia lava o ru Siaosi ma viki ta kai lava.
The last words for tonight before we heading tomorrow to the airport and yeah, drop them off. So you know, guys, you know the plan, guys, you know. So yeah, hope you guys see next video coming up soon with a big surprise for you guys. And you see the food we make tonight for our last day. So yeah, our snacky girl, the master chef. There you go. How are you this morning? And this, how are you tonight?
Making some cauliflower broccoli bake.
Yeah.
As you can see, I'm just going to pour it on top.
Do you have a certificate of doing the food? Right?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks so amazing to where every time I see you cook all the professional food there, yeah, no one's gonna taste it before, so yeah. So I'm so lucky to have you cook my own food, okay? Enjoy our shoot for tomorrow, guys. And you see the surprise. Never know surprise. Yeah, this is my song for you guys, because for you guys, not guys, because I'm American accent, so yeah. Now I'm gonna Australian accent. So yeah, guys. So today I'm gonna sing a song for you guys.
That's a Fafa accent.
That's a Fafa accent. So for my accent, Samoan accent, yeah. What's up, guys? It's your boy Chochi. Yeah. Today I'm gonna sing a song for you guys to dedicate to all my family and friends who watch these videos. So today I'm gonna sing a song, a farewell song for my parents, my mom and my sister here. So everyone's gonna listen because I have a good voice. So yeah, guys, I should go to Australian voice because tenor, oroko, malu, whatever, soprano, alto, terrano, parano. Hope you guys enjoy this song. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, that was busy. Tofa, my feleni ole o te ko lau le vasau le ali e pule meleke nei ngalo mai kembra siota ele ai mana tua mai pea le te ne falai pangi ke oh, I never will forget you. Mo wale ngaloa tu. Oh, I never will forget you. Me, Air and Sissy never forget you. Yeah, you see the song, guys? So yeah. Go, sing.
Guys, this is my cauliflower broccoli bake. Oh my gosh, Israel Folau. I stand with Israel Folau.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Molly. This thing needs to focus. Focus. Take 2. What's up, guys? It's your girl Molly. And I'm back with another interruption of the S&V squad. Yep. That's what you heard, right? So it's been a little bit of a minute since you know, you guys have seen me around. Been working very hard, you know, getting the hustle and the bustle and the rustle and the wustle and the wustle. And so, you know, we are just here. Everyone is here for Siosi's mom and his younger sister's last days. It is just about minutes, seconds, hours before they board the flight.
McDonald's.
Gai la varo ka ko pa au lan yo ku ya sa ko ke do kai mi ma so lai la ngonga ba manga ya o kai mi o mo yai fa fika au a fo I ya pe o ba nga nga fa kai de ku mo nga le kai au ro ku ba ya ai se ka pa wa ngai ya fa maria pia ki o kinga
Kasi po ya.
ngai ya fi pa ko ya 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 si fua o mo e fanga ngei ya ka wai nga ka le sua ma ya te ngai bae ngai e fa malu lu kwai au fo ia de puo I di mo fanga o si ka la ya Ako pela vai se lua ngol va lele ya.
Can you feel Molly? Hold it.
Vale. Karanga. Vai se lá nga. So soangi le lua fanya balanga.
Mai.
So mara fanga. Ya se no ko pai da. Kere fu kala kele o me o le fia ngai ya.
Kele ana ni kulai. Okay. Ile. Ko foi que kulai mo wa. Ai ha foi fa kai. Que o rua mas se for fa. Olhe kasi le rua. Ko fala longa foi que a uma. Se o minha o que do lava ko ha le me ko ro fa ya ma wa. So se mea vai lava mea ai kupe ape ngala mampo ma au ia ia no ma ua alo fa mai le kua ia ko fa ku ma fa ma o fa mai ma ua ko ai mai fo fa mang ia ngale o ma fa nga ku so le ngal de ki ko ma sa lo fo o ke e si wi ma ko fa ni ma ya ko pa wa de nga ya u Afrika ke la ma mo le uma la ma mo de nga fo ko ma au se kupe nga de nga ka ko ni lo ai fo ko so fa nga mami ya fa ma la ne ko ya o ko fa ha isa no fo ai fa ma ya na ste le ko mami fa nga o lo ma au la ma Afrika ke le fo mo ko fa nga ai que lo esse a o sim ele arrumou uma fanga tem não sabe a fanga mas vai o era coisa tua ele o ar com a malia só e você o cara ele ia o ia manguia o co que fazia ai mas ko inga ia mau ai se ainda precisa ele tá com a lá ia você o cara ia manguia na va e pô
claro eu foi cá uma foi o Siaosi foi aí ele foi ia lá o que mala o pa com ia o mai o lo ai me sei o que ele veio hoje marcou é o que está por para o vale aí com pula mai ele foi já é fala o nome mai mole o dia ia que o cala ia foi a coisa o cara lei marcar lei por não mau ia não ia lei.
Yeah guys, this is our last day here in Samoa, in Australia.
Samoa.
Last day here in Australia. Tomorrow we're going overseas. Yeah, we're going overseas tomorrow.
I'm gonna miss my family.
No, you're not. She not miss her family because she be with me. She be with us. You know what? If I'm not here, she's crying so much. What are you gonna say?
Nothing, guys.
Guys, you know what I mean? I'm Peter Lawyer to this video. You know what I mean? I do every video and she says she do it. Do you see it? I just want to take a camera to her. Just have a little talk. I actually face the camera to her to say some words. And you know what? She didn't want to. She didn't want you guys. She said she's tired. She's tired of doing video. Oh my gosh. How can you make money, Mo? How can you make money? She makes a video. Who? Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned guys for our Sa vlog.